Hi guys, Ken Stone, Ken's IT. I'm gonna do another review of this 3D printer. We just got done with the last print there. It's a remote, um, a remote hanger, wall hanger. So we just got done printing this, and the last video I said we were gonna do the next. It's gonna be a holder for pens and so on for the wall. So we can do that one actually. I need to save the file. So let's save the file. I showed you on the last video how to save the file. So I'm gonna skip that part here. I'm not gonna bore you guys with repeats, but I am gonna get the thing going here. So let's transition to main room. So I'm gonna get this thing going here. I showed you how to save that file. Showed you how to save the file. So let's get the file. Downloads and pencil holder. Copy and redo. Paste. Okay. Oops, I exited all by itself, so we'll see what happens here. Make sure it's in there first. Be done if it wasn't. Come on. Oops. Hmm. Let's see if it's on the file. Anyways, it's got a copy and paste to it, so we'll see. Nope, I didn't save to it. So let's get the thing loaded again. I have to refresh the Finder. Launch Finder, see if that helps. Should. There it is. Finder's up there. Paste that up. There it goes. Alright, eject. Sorry for the delay here. So I showed you how to do slicing and put the thing in there. So I can switch over that computer, I guess. Let's see this process. See my device. Transition. Okay. So we have the WeEDO. We're gonna load that software. Pen. This one. Well, it takes almost the whole thing here. That's pretty cool. Okay, so and I want to see the holes in the front, and we'll have that out front. So hit slice. But they ain't going bigger because look at that platform. It would have been like right to the edge. At least it's pretty close to the edge on this one. So and then save the card. And yep, nice. Says it's saved. Okay, close. We'll just pull this out. Okay. Now we go over to the machine, put the drive, put the memory card in. Okay, let's, oops, let me get this out here. Okay. All right, so print from, oops, change it here. 1 second. There you go. So print from TF, pen holder, print. And it's got to heat up. So, yeah, this one's going to be a tall boy. Tall one. All right, well, the magic of editing here, we're going to fast forward through the end after the thing begins. So that'd be cool. All right, so I'm just going to let her go. I'm back. So I'm going to let this print as long as I have white plastic, but I just took a pen and lined up with the, I took a pen and lined up with these here, and the pen is as large as this pillar, actually a little smaller than the pillar. But the holes are even, there's like 2 holes equal 1 pillar. So this is not going to um, work very good for holding pencils. I'm glad I'm sitting here watching this. But so I'm going to let it print. At least, well, I'm just going to let it print, but I'm not going to be able to use it for pencils or pens. Um, I might even just stop it from printing. I'm going to let it go. until it runs out of ink, or not ink, but plastic. But I'm not gonna be able to use it for what I wanted. Maybe smaller objects, screwdrivers, stuff like this. Maybe. I don't have any extra screwdrivers and stuff laying around. A few small ones. I might use it for that, but it's definitely not going to fit a pen. It's way too big. Way too. The ports are way too small. But it gives me a learning experience. Um, Trying to create our own 3D models. It's a learning experience, you know. It's metrics, which over here in the US it's inches, so on. So this is lighting. There you go. So thanks for joining me. This is a fail, but not really a fail because we're learning. So we thought we could do it. So I'll sum it up as a learning experience. Thought I had it right. I just have to check my measurements better. It's kind of hard to imagine and lining up on the software. I have to learn that system. So to get the measurements right, um, I'll work on it. The next one we should get, because now I know the measurements. I know the size I need, which is the pillars. I need at least that size for each wall. So, but we got the overall size of the unit down perfect. So that went good. All right. All right. Thanks. If you like the video, like, subscribe, come back for next one. See you for now. Bye.